Now, NASA has announced the crew of the Artemis III. There will be Commander Bresnik, that will be Comrade Bresnik as he's known, pilot Luca Parmitano, and mission specialist Frank Rubio and Andre Douglas. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman unveiled the new crew, and he joins me now. Mr. Administrator, welcome back to the program. Can you tell us where this mission is taking the astronauts? What's the mission?
Well, it's great to be back and talking about Artemis III, another step on the journey for America's return to the lunar surface. Artemis II was the opening act. We saw that complete just a handful of weeks ago, where those amazing 4 astronauts flew around the moon, tested out the Orion spacecraft in the harsh environment of deep space, and came splashing down off the Pacific. And again, it's kind of interesting to think just weeks ago we were celebrating the return, and now we're announcing the Artemis III crew. This will be an unbelievable mission. Next year, you're going to see the 3 most powerful rockets in the world launch. You're going to see the Blue Origin rocket launch and put their test lander into Earth orbit. You're going to see the SLS rocket launch. Now, that's the same rocket that took the Artemis II crew into space. That will take the Artemis III crew into Earth orbit. And then you're going to see the powerful SpaceX Starship launch as well. Now, those 3 crewed vehicles will all converge into low Earth orbit. Orion will rendezvous and test out the interoperability, so docking with the Blue Origin lander and the Starship lander, test out, make sure it works really well in Earth orbit when you're hours away from coming home if you see something unexpected, and that will give us the data and the confidence to set up for Artemis IV in 2028, where those astronauts, well, they'll walk on the moon.
Strong, good stuff. As we approach America 250, I want to look back at American innovation in space. Start with Project Mercury, launched in '61, the first U.S. program to put humans in space. Move on to 1969, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin became the first to walk on the moon. '81 to 2011, NASA's space shuttle fleet flew 135 missions, carried 355 people into space. And then there's the space station, built between 1998 and 2011. It has continuously housed people since the year 2000. Okay, Jared, what is the next great American innovation in space?
Well, you know what? That is an excellent question. And what a proud history we have had in space over the years. And when I look ahead, Artemis III is actually starting to set the stage for what you should expect the future to look like. Now, throughout the past, we have had to put everything we need in space on a single rocket, essentially. When Saturn V took Neil and Buzz to the moon, it took the crew cabin, plus it took the lander with it. We're going to move into a world where you're going to have multiple spaceports launching lots of rockets, and then you're going to be able to assemble what you want in Earth orbit before you go to the moon, before you go to Mars. So imagine a world, again, with these kind of thriving spaceports, almost like how we've built the railroads and the highways of past to fuel the economy here in this nation. We'll think about the future orbital and lunar economy. It's going to be driven by spaceports, lots of heavy lift rockets launching. We're not throwing them away. They're going to be reusable. Assembly on orbit, data centers, spacecraft, nuclear powered spacecraft that can go to the moon, can go to Mars and help us explore the outer solar system. It's very exciting times ahead, sir.
I can tell your enthusiasm, and that's communicated to the audience, I do believe. Jared Isaacman, thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate it, and good luck with the launch and all. Thanks.